Well, good afternoon, everybody. So I tried to do this video last night in the house, and it just wasn't working. It just wasn't happening for me. I was rambling. There was and ahhing, and I just couldn't get the words out of my mouth. And pretty much what I was trying to talk about is I bought myself a new leather vest. Something as simple as that. I bought myself a leather. I always buy from SkinTan Leather. And I love the way the SkinTan, the way their vests fit. You know, they're kind of like a perfect fit. You can go directly from their size chart, and you know that you're going to get a good quality vest that's going to fit you. So I usually wear their OP one. Now, recently I did buy from City of Leather, and I know this guy does the rallies and all, and you know, his stuff. A lot of his stuff is good, but I bought a vest off them, and it had like the checkered diamond pattern on the shoulders. It had like a black mamba down the front of it in panels, and that vest just did not work for me. In fact, if you take a look at the latest video that I put up there, you'll see me wearing it, and it kind of gathers up around the chest and all around here, and it fits lovely at the back, you know, but just this front part here around the chest is just baggy. It's just doesn't seem to fit right. And then when you zip it up and you're on the bike and you put it on, it's got like this big V at the front of where it's like all gathered at the front here, and fucking it sits out like that. Kind of rubs your chin when you're riding. Really uncomfortable. Well made. Great quality leather. The fit just seems to be off on not the back panel, but the front with the pockets and all that. It just seems to be completely off there. Like, it's like the best way to describe it was, say they put an extra large back panel on the back of it, but put a 2 or 3 XL front on it and stitched it together, so everything just kind of went at the front. It was too much at the front of it. Anyway, so I'm rambling on. So I've always wanted like a European cut, and SkinTan have a sale on it at the minute, a very good sale. So I got the perforated leather, European style cut, like a grey camo type thing on it. You know, it's got 2 side pockets, 2 inside pockets, 1 open, 1 zipped. If you're so inclined, the liner on the inside of it actually zips out if you wanted to get patches and all sewed onto it and that sort of thing. My days of that are well gone. I've been out of the club now for a long time. I'm retired and old, you know. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So, but I got the cut. Sorry about that. I kind of just right in there. So I got the cut in the unbox. I'd done an unboxing and everything last night. I hadn't even opened it. It arrived, and I went to do this whole unboxing thing, and the video just wouldn't work for me. I just couldn't get the words out. It was unbelievable. And I watched it back, and I kind of looked at myself and I went, what the fuck are you talking about? You know, so I had a good old chuckle to myself anyway. I'm not going to put the bit of me talking up in there. You know, it pitches off. But anyway, I will put the part where I open it, and I actually take the vest out of the box and put it on. And it was pretty much just to show you that right out of the box, without doing anything, I was able to put the vest on, and it just fits absolutely perfect. And the same went for the other vests that I've bought from SkinTan. Their stuff's just really great quality leather, and the fit is perfect, absolutely perfect. As I say, they've a bit of a sale on at the minute on their website. Now, I bought my first one off them, the OP one, and I bought it off their website, and it cost me like £114. Now, they have an Amazon site, and the second one I bought off them, I got it on Amazon for 80 quid from SkinTan. And so I don't know why the prices were so dramatic from their their website to the Amazon, you know, but I saved nearly half the money on Amazon, and I just came across it by accident. I just happened to go, while I was on Amazon one day, I just typed in SkinTan, and all the under vests came up. But I really highly recommend this company. I'm not affiliated to them. You know, I buy my vests off them. It's just their shipping. You can tell by my accent, I live in Northern Ireland. They do a 24-hour delivery. If you live in the mainland UK, you'll get it in a day. For me, and I would guess the other islands, it takes 2 days. You'll get it in 2 days. You know, every time I've ordered from them, I know it's going to be here in 2 days. And I don't pay for the extra shipping, the extra tenner. I just click on the free shipping, and I always get it within 2 days. You know, I've never had the phone. I don't know what their customer service is like. I've never had to contact their customer services because their service is good anyway. I've never had an issue with sizing, anything. But you'll see, I'll put, as I say, the bit at the end there. Whenever I open the box, take it out of the box, and I put it on. Now the footage isn't great, and but absolutely perfect fit. Absolutely perfect fit. And as I say, it's a European style cut. That style, the cut in leather, isn't everybody's cup of tea. But I kind of liked it and I wanted one. And the black just looked like too plain for me. Be alright if you're in a club or something. Too plain. They do have other styles on there you know you can look at. But I kind of like this one, like the camo thing, you know, the grey camo. It's like a dark camo, you know, perforated. But to do another one, to do a brighter camo, to do like the snakeskin style in it, to do black with white trim, to do all black, you know. But as I say, at the minute they have a great sale on. So if you're looking at a new leather vest, jump on and grab one. I mean, you can't beat them, you know. Now you can go on to the likes of Leather Rick and design your own, and then when you come to the end of the checkout, before you know it, it's 250 quid, 300 quid. And I bought one off them before. Oh God, that's a few years ago now, just to see if I could get it. Whenever it came, it didn't fit me. Their sizing chart was way off. I couldn't button it up. It came across the chest, and it was 3 inches too short in the chest. Never mind my belly. I've got a bit of a gut, like. And the leather on it was, it wasn't cowhide. It was, I don't know what kind of leather it was. It was soft leather. But it might have been that double back stuff. But the leather, I got it brown. It was brown at the top with a diamond pattern and black. But the leather kind of just started flaking off. And this was only like 3 or 4 months after wearing the vest. You know, it started deteriorating really, really quickly. And for the money it cost, I was like, stay away from them, you know. Especially when you're going in and they're letting you design whatever you want. And then all these wee add-ons for the trim and everything else. Before you know it, you're at checkout, you're at £200, £300 up. £200 or £300, you can go to Crimwear, buy one there, buy two from SkinTan, or SkinTan do have some ones that are up there. The popular ones are still pricey. Like if you want it all black, it's going to cost you 200 notes. But you're getting a 200 notes vest. It's quality cowhide leather. It's going to fit you. No ifs, ands, or buts. But anyway, listen, thanks for watching. I'll put the wee snippet of me unboxing, putting it on, and letting you see it, and we run over to what it looks like. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And don't forget to keep it real. Talk to you later. Without any further ado, see how you cut the fucking hole in it. That'll be good, wouldn't it? unboxing the thing and fucking cutting a big hole in it. I sure wouldn't be like it. But anyway. So that's it there. Yeah. SkinTan Leather. So it's pretty neat, like it's got pockets on the side there. This is well made. This is a good vest. So you have the liner can actually be removed if you wanted to put patches on. Get your patches in the back. Got an inside pocket here. And then it's got a zip inside pocket on the other side. So what I'll do is I'm just going to move his back here a wee bit. Now if you're putting it fits great over the t-shirt. If you're putting it over your coat, you actually have the zips on the side of it here, both sides. You can open it up. Gives you an extra 4 inches. So if it's winter time, you want to put it over a leather jacket, over a different jacket, you can. So that's pretty much it. I like it. Fits well, straight out of the box. No issues with sizing. If you go by their chart, I will say some of the vests you click on won't have the size chart. But if you go to some of their older kind of listings on their website and click on it, the size chart will be in there. And if you go by that size chart, if you measure your chest and you go by their size chart, you won't go wrong. You'll get the size you need. And that's it anyway. Thanks for watching. As I said, it's just a wee quick video of a new vest. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a wee thumbs up and a like and subscribe. Really much appreciate it. You know, keep it real. Later, guys.